G'day, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2022 LDV G10 van, stock reference number 5723. This shape runs from the 7th month 2021 and is the current shape. It has a 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, the right hand headlight, front bumper cover, left hand headlight, left guard has no damage, bonnet has no damage, left power door mirror, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has no damage, left rear sliding door has one small dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate barn door style, no damage, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right sliding door 2 small dents, right front door 1 small dent, right guard no damage, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, climate control heated controls, gear shifter, touchscreen media player, control panel, interior mirror, courtesy light, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.